What's up YouTube? This is Jason here with RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy videos like this, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. Okay, so I've been doing some poking around. I've been looking in the comments, I've been on social media, I've just been looking around and it's kind of like a little conspiracy theory. I'm thinking that from a lot of the people that I've been talking to, it's the AT&T version of the Surface Duo. Now, people who got the Microsoft version, they've had glitches every now and then, but it wasn't as bad as some of the things I've seen on the on the AT&T variant. So I'm just kind of thinking that maybe it's just the AT&T software, the bloatware or whatever that they put on there. You know, I'm not sure of the process, but let's just say that Microsoft finished the phone, sent it to AT&T, AT&T put their software on, and then they sent it out. I mean, it kind of makes sense if you think, look at all the first videos that came out. These were at AT&T stores and Best Buy stores, but those are both the AT&T variant, and they had the demo software on there. The demo software was making them go slow and messing them up. So, I don't know. It's just something that I started thinking about. I had a bunch of friends and they actually had the Surface Duo from Microsoft. They had a few issues and they were like, the software update really helped it. And it's not really been a big issue for them. They're actually surprised when they saw my video before. And they're actually surprised when I tell them about all the things that have been going on. You know, so I don't know. It just seems like it's the AT&T variant that's having these issues. I honestly can say today I had a good day with the Duo. Good day. I had no glitching, no keyboard issues, no shutoffs, no anything. So hopefully, I didn't really do anything to the device. I rebooted it and that's about it. I didn't change anything or, so who knows. But that's just my thought. Leave me some comments and leave me some comments below and let me know your thoughts on it. And if you do have a Microsoft variant that is going crazy and having all these issues, please let me know because I want to know. I think this is a pretty good, solid theory, but if you got to debunk it, but it's not really so far-fetched. Before, all these Android manufacturers would complain that the carriers would come out and put all this bloatware on there and you'd have all these apps that you didn't care about, didn't want, and it would make the device go slow and have all these issues. And I think that a lot of people were thinking maybe it's Android that's just making it go slow. I've had plenty of Android phones and they're perfectly fine. It has to just be something else, and with, as I stated before, with kind of some proof that at these AT&T stores and Best Buy, they are having glitches and having problems. And not all units, but if you remember, the units that did not have the issues had the demo software off. All the ones that had the issue had the demo software on. So I don't know what could be going on. It could be possibly just some devices have issues. It could be some devices have the old demo software on there somewhere in the system that's, causing some issues and stuff. Could it just be certain apps that people have, because not everybody installs the same apps and they don't all work the same way. I totally understand that. But it just seems that from my research that a lot of the AT&T variants are having way worse problems than the Microsoft variant. So, like I said, in the comments below, agree with me, disagree with me, but just let's have a conversation. Another thing I wanted to throw in really quick is where in the world are the cases and the docs for this thing? It's been coming out for a while. They've known the specifications. They know, D-brand has skins. What's going on? Where are the accessories for this thing? I just want to throw that in there and hopefully someone sees this and says, hey, I have accessories, please, I might want to put a case of this thing or another kind of thing besides the bumper. I may want to be able to dock it on my nightstand, Anyway, that's the rant for another day. But again, guys, if you think that I'm correct and the AT&T variants are the ones that are having the problems, leave me some comments below. If you have a Microsoft version and you're having problems, which debunks my whole theory, please, in the comments below, just let me know. Question of the day. What variant of the Surface Duo do you have? And are you having issues? That's it for me, guys. If you found value in this video, if you could smash that like button, Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.